Hello friends, welcome to my channel Grammarian Bhai, and today let's solve Appendix 1 sample paper of ICSE class 11 and 12 of English language paper 1. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe to the channel. So here I will discuss mostly from question number 3. And question number 2, I will discuss or I will just provide sample answers at the end. So let's do it. So here is the question number 3. Here the sentence 1 is complete. The sentence 2 is not yet completed. So let's do it. So the first one, they are repairing my piano at the moment. So the answer will be, my piano is being repaired at the moment by them. So this is the active passive voice. So here you have to change into passive voice. Second one, if you do not reach the theater early, you will not get a good seat. So here you have to begin the sentence with unless. So the answer will be, unless you reach the theater early, comma, you will not get a good seat. C. There were many obstacles, yet she succeeded in her mission. So the answer will be, although there were many obstacles, comma, she succeeded in her mission. Number D. Chocolate cake is the best dessert I have ever eaten. So the answer will be, no other dessert I have ever eaten is as good as chocolate cake. E. Scarcely did the famous store open when they all rushed in. So the answer will be, as soon as the famous store opened, comma, they all rushed in. Next one, fill in each blank with a suitable word. So the first one, she decided not to give in to the pressure. Next, the teacher asked me to give away the worksheets. C. The young man set up his own business. D. The CEO set down the rules on the very first day of the year. E. When his friends come home, he puts on a fake accent. F. Do not put off for tomorrow what you can do today. G. She advised me not to look back on what had already happened. H. If you look into it carefully, you can see the mark. Go through the document carefully before you sign it. The price of gold is not likely to go up any time soon. Number 3 here, fill in the blanks in the passage given below with the appropriate form of the verb given in brackets. So you go through by the passage. Let me tell you directly the answer. So the first one will be watching, second noticed, third pulled, fourth approached, fifth driving, sixth replied, seventh doing, eighth said, ninth thanked, and 10th uttered. Next, question number 4. Here, read the passage given below and answer the questions 1, 2, and 3 that follows. So you go through by the entire passage. Let me provide you the answers. So the first one here, provide the word meaning or phrase, and this one you have to find out from the passage itself, the similar meaning. So the first one, break time, which means recess. Second, prolonged quarrel or dispute, that is feud. Number 3, a feeling of being annoyed, which means raged. Number B, here you have to construct a sentence of given words. You do it by yourselves. Number 3, here you have to answer the following questions in your own words as briefly as possible. So let's do it. So the first question, explain the phrase turning up their noses. State how this feeling is brought out in the passage. So the answer could be, the phrase turning up their noses means showing dislike. Mrs. Knight's school and Miss Miller's school are always quarreling. The antipathy of the girls from Knight's school as they would sit on the roof and gaze at their enemy school goers is clearly shown through the phrase. Next question. Describe the uniqueness of Katie Carr's school. So the answer could be, Katie Carr's school was unique because it had a wood shed with a climbable roof, which overlooked into Miss Miller's grounds. Girls would sit upon this roof in rows and express their dislike for girls from the other school. Next, see what made Katie late to school one day. So the answer will be, Katie was late to school because she could not find her things. Her algebra book was lost and the string had come off her sun hat. A lot of time was wasted trying to fix the string and find the book. Next, number D. How did the Aunt Izzy help her out? Explain whether this served the purpose. So the answer will be, Aunt Izzy sewed the string on her sun hat and also informed her where her algebra book was. However, this did not help her because she was already late for school. Next question, number 3. Summarize all the things that went wrong for Katie in school, ultimately forcing her to jump into Miss Miller's playground. And here you're supposed to write in about 100 words in a paragraph form. So let's do it. So the answer could be, as Katie got ready to go to school, she realized that she could not find her things. Her algebra book was lost. The string had come off her hat. After getting her book and repairing her hat, she rushed to school. However, she was already late. In school, she made mistakes in her grammar lesson and she had to redo her composition. In frustration, she sat on the woodshed to wipe her tears before the break was over. But her sun hat flew off into Miss Miller's playground. She had no choice but to go there to fetch her sun hat. At last, I am providing the answers of question 2, that is about speech writing, and second one, that is a proposal writing. So you go through by the answers given. It may be just a sample for you to see it. And if you think the video is helpful to you, please subscribe the channel and like the videos.